Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be filming today. It's my birthday and I'm just like, yay! I love my birthday. It's like my favorite. And I feel like I have a little present today because we're opening an ear fleek. I opened this part, but I haven't opened the little piece inside. It just, this flap had they had like a sticker on this flap that had my address on it, so I just ripped it off. Yeah, so if you don't know what ear fleek is, it's like the cheapest subscription you can get. You get one pair of earrings a month, and it's like $3.95. Or you can buy the year subscription for $38, I think. Pumpkin for the win. Every time, friends, every time. Hey, buddy. How you doing? Come here, fatty. I know. You're so big, but I love you. Did you come give me birthday snuggles? Is that what you're doing? No. Sorry. Made you mad. Okay, so this is what the little foil packet inside looks like. And I didn't even peek this month. I honestly have no idea what's in here. Oh my god, they're beautiful. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, hold on. They're tiny. They look bent. Okay, so they retail for $15.99, and I can't tell. Yeah, the posts are totally bent on these, but let's see if I can delicately fix that. Okay, so it wasn't too bad. So I was able to bend it into shape, and they look like this. They're like little hexagons. See, those are cute. They are adorable. They're very light. See, oh, this one's bent too. Maybe if I just pull this off. Not so bad. So I was able to bend that one back too. There's a little bend in it, but whatever. So yeah, that's what they look like. That is an adorable little birthday present to myself. Let me just say. I am super happy with these. Unfortunately, they were bent a little bit. They has like this little bump on this one, but like they're $3.95, so I think they're cute, and for $3.95, I think it's a win. Yeah. This is what the little thingies came on. Well, that's all for this little mini unboxing, guys. I hope you liked the ear fleek. If you get ear fleek, did you get something different this month? Post a picture and tag me in it. There's nothing else in here, is there? Nope. Alright, well, that's all for this one, guys. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I make it really easy. It's in this little corner right here, or this corner. It's one of the little corners. If you're watching it, it's in the bottom right. Your right. I don't know. I'm dyslexic. Sorry. Anyways, bye guys.